welcome back to the video of Handmade Gifts. In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to make this cute bracelet. You might see the image here. So yes, we'll see how to make this. So without wasting time, let's begin.
So the things we require are firstly beads. As you can see, I've taken pearl beads as well as few beads with white stones. I've taken 14 pearl beads and 9 beads with a white stone. Along with this, next thing we require is the elastic wire. I've taken the perfect one for my beads. You can buy based on your beads. Here I've taken a piece of elastic wire based on my hand measurement, and I've put a knot at the end. Not exactly the end, but a bit space you'll have to leave. Now let's start putting the beads. I'll be putting alternatively, that is, firstly you'll have to put 2 pearl beads, and now 1 bead with a stone. This is a bead which has stones on both the sides, so it'll look good. Sorry, let's do it in. Let me put it inside the elastic. Yes, done. Now I'll be putting 1 pearl bead. And 1 white stone bead. So similarly we'll go on doing 2 1 2 1 and in between the stone beads. So let's continue. So now our bracelet is almost ready. The only thing we have to do is tie the knot and tie both the ends together. Firstly, I'll be tying a knot at this side as well so that it doesn't fall off. So let's do that. See to that it's proper and the knot won't come out. Once this is done, you can tie both the ends. So let's tie it tightly so that it doesn't open up. So once you've tied it, just confirm that it is proper by wearing it. If you wear, you'll get to know if it's not very tight, it might get open. So wear it and also check that it won't come off. Let me remove it and check again. I pulled it but it didn't come off. So yes, confirm that it's tight and then you'll have to cut off the extra part. Don't cut off until the knot so that you'll have something to keep it tight. Just leave a bit space and then cut off the rest. Once that is done, from the remaining part you just tighten it, confirm it is tight, and then your bracelet is ready. Let me wear it and confirm again. Here we go, it's beautiful. I loved it.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.